Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint my polymer clay project. So I recently just made this guy over here. He is a dragon mixed with fish, mixed with frog, kind of. Anyway, so for him, we're going to paint him with mostly blue color, but here are the acrylic paints that we'll use today. So we're going to use the 4A4 ultramarine blue and then 401E true blue, and then that is 9101E wicker white. Alright, let's begin painting. So for starter, I'm mixing the ultramarine blue with the wicker white to paint most of the body. And yeah, so the rest is just I'm painting the body over there, and the back, for the legs kind of, and mostly the body. And I'm still painting. Now it's like part of his body, now his head. I'm struggling over here because it's just very small. You have to be careful, but I managed to do it well, I guess. Alright, now I'm going to use the Sculpey Glow Glaze to give this guy glossy effect. Just trying to open that. Apparently, I didn't really check it the first time, so I need to kind of break that up from whatever that is. Anyway, so I paint that so the glossy effect will come out pretty good. This one is good stuff, so I'm just doing it. And here it is. It's all done. This guy has been painted. What do you think, guys? I think, in my opinion, it's pretty cool. So if any of you guys like this video, you can like it, share it, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.